In this lesson, I'll show you how to sculpt your own objects from scratch using the motion controllers, which will come in handy because Cuthbert has managed to get himself stranded on a distant platform again. Fortunately, we can use the tools in Sculpt mode to help get Connie to Cuthbert and escort him to safety. Before starting this tutorial, I'd recommend you complete Start Dreaming for motion controllers if you haven't already. It'll get you up to speed with all the basic controls so you can focus on becoming a sculpting master. First, make sure that you're sitting comfortably in front of your PlayStation camera. Now hold the Start button for a few seconds to calibrate your imps. Next, hold the T button on your secondary motion controller to open the assembly menu. Use your primary imp, the one with the face, to open the Modes menu with X. Then select Sculpt mode. Its icon is some three-dimensional shapes. Release the secondary T button to close the menu. Every time you enter Sculpt mode from the Modes menu, a new sculpture will be created. You'll also notice that when you're in Sculpt mode, everything outside the sculpture will be blurred and grayed out. You can adjust visual feedback in your preferences, which you can find in the Options menu. Before we start sculpting, use the Move buttons to reposition your view so you can see the first two platforms and the whole gap between them. Now you need to set your imp reach. If you stretch your arm out in front of you, you'll see your imp doesn't reach the platforms. Setting your imp reach to the platforms will put them within reach of your arms. Hover your imps on either side of the first platform, the one with Connie on it. Tap both Move buttons at the same time to set your imp reach. Now you can reach the platforms with your imp. Setting your imp reach is vital for sculpting. Set it to something large and you'll be able to sculpt huge shapes in the scene. Set it to something small and you can work on tiny details. Once you're in position and have set your imp reach to the first platform, you're ready to start the next step.